Boy, baba mo konti.
Sir, naka-green, sir, naka-green, sir. Naka-sombrero.
Nandiyan na, ito. Kasama ko din si Atty. Rolex Suplico at lahat po ng mga concerned lawyers. Mag-file po tayo ngayon ng petition for indirect contempt against Congressman Percival Sindanya. Second, Professor Richard Vidayan at yung best friend, I repeat, yung best friend ni Atty. Topacio, si Secretary Larry Gadon. Ang gawin po natin, for example, kay Percival Sindanya, sinabihan niya Supreme Court na Supreme Cuddler ng mga corrupt ng mga opisyales. Second, itong si Richard Vidayan, nag-post sa Facebook at sa Twitter niya na lahat daw ng mga justices ng Supreme Court appointee ng mga Duterte, therefore hindi independent ang Supreme Court. Bilang abogado, as an officer of the court, we have the obligation to defend the integrity and the independence of the highest court of the land.
Yes! Yes!
Bakit? Kasi kung wala ng credibility ang Supreme Court, wala ng matirang justisya sa Pilipinas. That's why, as lawyers and as a Filipino, we have the obligation to defend the independence and the impartiality